Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so sorry this video series has been so long, but this is the last part. Hip hip hooray! So as you can see here, I'm on my second class lever. Um, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to assemble my third class lever. So I'm going to come down and create a new assembly. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click to rename it. I want to rename my third class lever. Third class lever. Why did I take so much time to think of that? Okay. Um, I forgot to label my previous one, second class lever, so I'm just going to rename that quickly. Second class lever. Now on my third class lever, I'm going to insert all of my pieces back in. So remember, in a third class lever, I'm going to choose my third class lever piece. My effort is going to be this one. My fulcrum is going to be this one. And my load is just going to be this one. So I didn't really need to make that many copies, but yeah, don't do that. Be efficient. So click your green check button. Um, drag your pieces out. Um, then what you're gonna do is, again, you're first going to insert your fulcrum in, right? Your fulcrum is super important. So referring back, so first I just want to clear this up, guys. In FRE 123, your for a third class lever, your effort needs to be in the middle, or your effort, yeah, needs to be in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're first going to fasten in our fulcrum. So I'm gonna zoom in to my left. Now remember, in any lever, these points can be other than just the thing that should be in the center, the either the effort, your resistance, or your fulcrum. Other than the thing that is in the center, the other two parts can be switchable. I just put them in two different places so that you guys could have some variety. Um, I'm going to go into Revolute Mate. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to put my mate here. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come to my fulcrum, zoom in, make sure my mate is facing this way, and bam! I'm gonna click my green check button, and I'm gonna exit my Revolute Mate 2. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fasten these two mates in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bottom view. I'm gonna go to top. Oops. I'm gonna go. I apologize for this. I'm gonna go to my bottom view. I'm going to go to fasten mate to fasten this load mate um, to this mate over here. So I'm going to come to this level handle. Then I'm going to choose this. And I'm going to choose offset because I don't want my load to be hanging off because the load's going to tip off, right? That's not what we want. So our X is going to be, we're going to move it sort of in. So we're going to make it 10 millimeters in. That doesn't seem like it's enough, so I'm going to make it 15 millimeters. I want a little bit more, so I'm going to do 20 millimeters. Yep, that's it. So I'm going to click my green check button. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into effort. I'm going to go to my effort arrow. I'm going to go into my bottom. And I'm going to go in my second fasten mate. I'm going to go to my bottom view. Actually, I'm going to reopen my facet because it's sort of acting up for me. I'm going to select my effort, the bottom exactly in the center right here. I'm going to go into my isometric, and I'm going to make sure I select exactly the center of my lever, so of my lever bar. So I'm going to select that, and voila! There you have it, everybody. Hold on, let's just check an isometric or in front view how weird that looks. So it doesn't look that weird, but the load seems a bit too close, but your effort is in the middle, your fulcrum is towards the edge, and your load is towards the edge, and that gives you your third class lever. So before I forget again, let's set the edges, your let's set the limits. So I'm going to right click on Revolute, click on edit, set my limits. So minimum is going to be -40, and my maximum is going to be 40. I'm going to click my green check. And now let's animate. So let's go to revolve, right click, and click on animate. And you're going to click the check. So as you can see here, this is what a third class lever looks like. If you have any questions, as always, please do put them down in the comments. And yeah, so if you were curious, here is your second class lever where your load is in the middle. And this is your first class lever where your fulcrum is in the middle. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.